Hello friends, myself Poonam Chandan Bhatve, working as manager in Hilux at Nagpur from last 10 months. I am here to share with you my best moment at Hilux. I have done my graduation in science and post-graduation in library science. My husband Sanjay Chandan Bhatve working in the Vidarbha Housing Society. I have two kids, my son Harsh studying in 9th class and my daughter Shruti in 2nd class. I am also working as a teacher in high school. Uh, I First time I see the demo by the Nanda Punjarwar madam. I am in Hilux because of her, because she came my house and showed me the waterless and fatless cooking concept. That time I was inspired by her explanation, her demonstration. She explained all the things so nicely that I was very inspired, and that time I booked a set and join as a GFA and start my journey. My first independent demo was done at my friend's house. She and her husband was there, and they see the demo, my first demo, and they were so inspired and so excited by seeing this, and they also interestingly testing the waterless and fatless cooking that I have done there. And that time I was so inspired, and the words of my friend's husband that inspired me and gave me courage, and my journey of Hilux business that start successfully from that. That was, I think, that was the best, means first moment of first best moment at my Hilux business. I have not done marketing anyway, but people give me the good comments about my demonstration. That feel me proud, and that was give me the encouragement of doing my business successfully. Then the next moment that came in Hilux business in my life, that then when I won the gold. I am so excited and so happy that time that Archana madam tell me that the Poonam, you have won the gold. That moment was very precious and very important for my in my life. So that was the best moment. Then after that, the next moment is the when I saw my first commission. That time I shown the commission to my husband. He was also very happy, and I am also very happy that in any business we can get commission, only we get the income, but in only Hilux we get the incentives, commissions, and we get the honor. That every time we get in office, we get we know about their achievements, and we honored by the peoples there, especially Archana ma'am. That she always inspired me and give the encouragement for doing business nicely or successfully. Then thanks to Stanley sir, that he gave opportunity to every normal lady to become a businesswoman. Thanks to Archana ma'am, that she give a platform to every lady that she become a businesswoman. Always she give her hands of love to everybody, every lady, and encourage her to become a success, do a successful business. Then my heartily thanks to Ranjana Raut ma'am. She always support me and trust on me and give the full support to me. Then I will also thankful to very much thankful to Nanda Punjarwar madam, because of her only I am in the Hilux family, and she always believe on me and trust on me. She always give me the positive way and how to do this business, and directly or indirectly all the members, my family members, especially my sister, she always believe on me and give me support, encouragement. Then all my team members and who me support directly or indirectly, thanking all of them. Then without training we cannot successful in any work. So thanks to Urmila ma'am and Girish sir, whenever we need they came in time to time and give us training for we become successful in our business. So thank you everybody. I love Hilux. It's awesome at Hilux.